Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to create a community or group on WhatsApp Business. Open WhatsApp Business on your phone. A WhatsApp Business community is like a hub where you can host many group chats together. Admins can do things to keep their WhatsApp communities active and customers involved, like posting updates, doing polls for feedbacks, inviting new users using QR codes, managing multiple admins, and sharing big files. Basically, a WhatsApp community is a special place for brands to talk directly to customers. Customers can join to talk about your products and services, and you can also add new people. It is important for building a strong brand with loyal customers. You can make a WhatsApp community with up to 100 groups, and community announcements happen automatically. This is where community admins can send messages to everyone in the community. To make one, go to Communities, tap New Community, and Start. Enter the name, description, and an icon. You can add your own image for the icon by using the camera, gallery, imagery, or stickers, or search the web. Tap the check mark when you are done. You can add up to 2,000 members to the community, and that's it. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.